Hi everyone, my name is John Lloyd A. Biduya, and today I'll giving you a quick but comprehensive overview of the major art movements and painting techniques we've been studying. I'll talk about their key artists, when and where they flourished, what they believe in, and one artwork that best represent each movement. Let's begin. Classical movements and techniques. Naturalism. Proponent Caravaggio. Flourishing context. Late 16th-17th century Europe during the Baroque period. Beliefs and practices. Naturalists aim to depict life truthfully, no idealizing, no exaggerating, just raw human experience. Artwork example. The Calling of Saint Matthew. Realistic lighting, ordinary-looking figures, and dramatic shadows embody naturalisms, focus on truth and real emotion. Number 2. Humanism. Proponent Leonardo da Vinci. Flourishing context. Renaissance Italy, 14th-16th century. Belief and practices. Humanism celebrated human intellect, beauty, and potential. Art emphasized anatomy, proportion, and classical ideas. Artwork example. Vitruvian Man. Shows perfect human proportions and reflects the humanist belief that humans are the center of art and knowledge. Number 3. Fresco painting. Proponent Michelangelo. Flourishing context. Renaissance Italy, widely used in churches and chapels. Belief and practices. Fresco painting uses pigments on wet plaster, making the artwork durable and vivid. Artwork example. The creation of Adam on the Sistine Chapel ceiling. Massive, detailed, and perfectly suited to the fresco technique. Number 4. Tempera painting. Proponent Sandro Botticelli. Flourishing context. Medieval and early Renaissance periods in Europe. Belief and practices. Egg tempera allows for precision and fast drying layers, producing smooth, luminous surfaces. Artwork example. The Birth of Venus. Graceful and soft shading showcase tempera's delicate finish. Number 5. Oil painting. Proponent Jan van Eyck. Flourishing context. Northern Europe, 15th century onward. Belief and practices. Oil paint dries slowly, allowing blending deep colors and fine detail. Artwork example. The Arnolfini portrait. Incredibly realistic, and textures and rich colors shows oil paint's full potential. Number 6. Impressionism. Proponent Claude Monet. Flourishing context. Late 19th century France. Belief and practices. Impressionists capture fleeting moments, light, and color using loose brush strokes. Artwork example. Impression sunrise. Short strokes and bright colors show the impression of a scene rather than precise detail. Number 7. Post-impressionism. Proponent Vincent van Gogh. Flourishing context, late 19th century France. Belief and practices. Focused less on realism and more on emotion, symbolism, and structure. Artwork example, Starry Night. Swirling sky, bold colors, and expressive lines show emotion over accuracy. Number 8. Cubism. Proponent, Pablo Picasso. Flourishing context, early 20th century Paris. Belief and practices broke objects into geometric shapes, showing multiple viewpoints at once. Artwork example, Les Demoiselles d'Avignon. Angular figures and fracture space reflect Cubism's radical approach. Number 9. Fauvism. Proponent, Henri Matisse. Flourishing context, early 90s France. Belief and practices use wild, non-naturalistic colors to express feeling rather than the reality. Artwork example, Woman with a Hat. Bright, unexpected colors show emotional intensity. Number 10. Expressionism. Proponent, Edvard Munch. Flourishing context, early 20th century and Germany in Scandinavia. Belief and practices focused on inner emotions and psychological experience. Artwork example, The Scream. Distorted forms and intense colors communicate anxiety. Number 11. Dadaism. Proponent, Marcel Duchamp. Flourishing context, World War I era, mainly Zurich and Paris. Belief and practices rejected logic and tradition, embraced absurdity, randomness, and anti-art ideas. Artwork example, Fountain. A Runinal turned into art, challenging what art even is. Number 12. Surrealism. Proponent, Salvador Dalí. Flourishing context, 1920s, 30s Europe. Belief and practices explore dreams, the subconscious, and irrational imagery. Artwork example, the present tense of memory melting clocks create a dreamlike landscape that defies logic. 13. Pop art. Proponent, Andy Warhol. Flourishing context, 1950s, 60s, United States and UK. Belief and practices celebrated consumer culture, mass media, and everyday objects. Artwork example, Can't Believe soap cans turns commercial items into high art, commenting on modern life.